Next, to edit colors. As you can see, these fonts are in different color, and that is because I select each letter and change its colors. Okay, so you can select different colors if you like. You can do it this way, or if you just want one color, you can just highlight everything and then select the color that you like. Alright, and you can also change the colors of your graphics. This is a vector graphic which I've copied and pasted from Adobe Illustrator into InDesign. If the graphics like this are small enough, when you copy from Illustrator and paste it directly into InDesign, it will be a vector graphic as well, which you can change the color. Okay, just click on the arrows that you want and then change the color. If you want to change multiple graphics, you can click and then hold the shift key and then click other graphics all together like that. Okay, just make sure you hold your shift key when you select them, and once you've done that, go up here to change your color. Maybe I'll just want everything to be green or pink. Yep, that's all you have to do. And if you want to change the color of the line, you can as well. Just select your line and all multiple lines, alright, and then change the color that you like. Maybe just blue. It's very simple and very easy to do.